In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a bot to your Discord server. If this video is helpful, consider subscribing to the channel to support us. First, open the Discord app on your computer. Before anything else, keep in mind that to add a bot to a Discord server, you must either be the server owner or have the necessary permissions. Once Discord is open, go to your server, click on the server name, and then select Server Settings. In the left-hand menu, click on App Directory. Here, you'll find many bots and apps that you can add to your server. To find a specific bot, use the search bar in the top right corner. In this example, I'll search for HydraBot, which is a popular bot that helps with server moderation. Click on the bot, then click the blue Add App button. A new window will open where the bot will request access to your Discord account. Make sure to review the permissions the bot is asking for and what it will be able to do on your server. Next, choose the server where you want to add the bot and click Continue. You'll then see a list of permissions the bot will have. In this case, I'll leave everything enabled and click Authorize. Complete the captcha, and you should see a confirmation message indicating that the bot has been authorized and successfully added to your server. Click the button to return to your server. You'll then see a message in the server confirming that the bot has been added successfully. And that's how you add a bot to your Discord server. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe.